Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account and server basics. Check Roblox status and the specific game's queue or outage. This tells you if the problem is server-side. Next, sign out and clear your cache or temporary files. This removes stale session tokens that trigger the wait message. Once done, sign back in and open the exact game page. Make sure to use the same account because switching accounts often causes the wait rule to persist. You now tackle the client and network factors that enforce the wait. Restart your router or try a wired connection to eliminate packet loss. This prevents repeated failed join attempts. Update the Roblox client and any platform launcher so session handshakes work correctly. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it or configure whitelist rules because intermediaries can drop or delay the token exchange. Once done, retry joining. The handshake, you finish with a controlled retry and a clear fallback. Respect the cooldown, wait about 60 to 120 seconds, then attempt to rejoin. Impatience causes repeated failures and extends the lockout. If the issue persists, reinstall the client and try joining from another device or network to isolate the cause. Finally, if nothing works, gather logs, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact Roblox support. This gives them the evidence needed to diagnose session token or account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.